Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where power meets prestige and machines become experiences you never forget. Today you're about to witness something that completely redefines what luxury on wheels truly means. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, and this sentence which will remain connected until the end of the video. Imagine stepping inside a vehicle that feels less like a van and more like a flying private jet, where every inch is crafted for comfort, status, and pure indulgence. This is not just transportation, this is a statement of success. A rolling sanctuary built for those who demand more from every journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see its amazing features. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Cruiser arrives with a presence that instantly separates it from everything else on the road. This is not your typical full-size van. It takes the rugged, dependable DNA of the Savana platform and transforms it into something extraordinary. From the very first look, you can tell this machine was built with a different vision in mind. It is bold, confident, and unapologetically premium. The exterior design tells a story of strength and elegance working together in perfect harmony. The front fascia features a commanding grille design that reflects power, while the sleek LED headlights add a modern, almost futuristic character. Chrome accents are carefully placed, not overdone, but just enough to highlight its luxury identity. The body lines are clean yet muscular, giving it a refined but dominant stance on the road. As you move along the side profile, the proportions of the Savana Luxury Cruiser begin to reveal its true purpose. This vehicle is designed to carry more than just passengers. It carries experiences. Large, premium wheels enhance both the look and performance, while the high roof design hints at the spacious world waiting inside. Every angle of this vehicle feels intentional, crafted to leave a lasting impression. Opening the door is where the transformation truly begins. The outside world fades away, and you step into an environment that feels more like a private jet lounge than a road vehicle. The interior is designed with one clear goal: absolute comfort without compromise. Soft, premium leather seats welcome you with a level of luxury that rivals high-end executive aircraft cabins. Each seat is engineered for relaxation. Heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable, they allow passengers to find the perfect position for long journeys. Some configurations even offer full recline options, turning your seat into a personal relaxation zone. The stitching, the texture, and the materials all reflect an attention to detail that speaks of true craftsmanship. The layout of the cabin is intelligently designed to balance privacy and openness. Whether you are traveling alone or with a group, every passenger gets a sense of personal space. Ambient lighting flows throughout the interior, creating a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. The lighting system is customizable, allowing you to set the mood according to your preference, whether it's a relaxed evening drive or a high-energy night ride. Technology inside the Savana Luxury Cruiser is where things move into a completely different league. The entertainment system is not just advanced, it's immersive. Large, high-definition displays are positioned perfectly for viewing comfort, turning the cabin into a moving cinema. Paired with a premium surround sound system, every note, every sound, and every moment becomes more vivid. Passengers can stream content, connect devices, and control features with ease. The interface is smooth, responsive, and designed for modern lifestyles. Wireless charging pads, multiple connectivity ports, and high-speed internet capabilities ensure that you remain connected no matter where you are. It's not just about entertainment, it's about staying productive and engaged on the move. Privacy is a major highlight of this luxury cruiser. Tinted windows, enhanced sound insulation, and optional partition systems create a peaceful environment that feels completely separate from the outside world. This makes it ideal for business professionals, VIP transport, or anyone who values quiet, uninterrupted travel. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Cruiser delivers performance that matches its luxurious identity. It is powered by a robust engine designed to handle long-distance travel with ease. The power delivery is smooth and consistent, ensuring that the vehicle feels confident on highways and stable in city conditions. Despite its size, the driving experience is remarkably refined. Advanced suspension systems absorb road imperfections, delivering a ride that feels soft and controlled. The steering is responsive, making it easier to handle than you might expect from a vehicle of this scale. It's a perfect balance between strength and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features add another layer of confidence. Systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision warning technologies work together to create a secure driving environment. This is a vehicle designed not only to impress but also to protect. Versatility is another key strength of the Savana luxury cruiser. It can adapt to different roles depending on your needs. It can serve as a luxury family transporter, a corporate shuttle, or even a mobile office. The interior configurations can be customized, allowing you to create a space that matches your lifestyle. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated into the design. There is ample room for luggage and personal items without compromising the elegance of the cabin. Every compartment feels like a natural extension of the overall design, maintaining the premium feel throughout. Climate control inside the vehicle ensures that every passenger remains comfortable regardless of external conditions. Multi-zone climate settings allow individual preferences, making long journeys more enjoyable for everyone on board. Whether it's a hot day or a cool night, the interior environment remains perfectly balanced. The craftsmanship of the Savana luxury cruiser is evident in every detail. From the precision stitching on the seats to the materials used in the dashboard and panels, everything reflects a commitment to quality. This is not just a vehicle built for functionality. It is built to deliver an experience that feels exclusive and refined. One of the most impressive aspects of this vehicle is how it blends luxury with practicality. While it offers high-end features and premium comfort, it still maintains the reliability and usability expected from a GMC platform. This makes it a practical choice for those who want luxury without sacrificing everyday functionality. As you spend more time exploring the Savana luxury cruiser, you begin to understand its true purpose. It is not just about reaching a destination. It is about enjoying the journey in a way that feels effortless and memorable. Every feature, every detail, and every element is designed to enhance that experience. This vehicle also makes a strong statement about status and success. It reflects a lifestyle where comfort and quality are not optional, but essential. It is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life and are not willing to compromise. At Honest Auto Wheels, the goal is to bring you closer to machines that redefine expectations. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Cruiser does exactly that. It challenges the traditional idea of what a van can be and replaces it with something far more exciting and luxurious. The more you look at it, the more you realize that this is not just a vehicle. It is a concept brought to life, a vision of what the future of luxury transportation can look like. It combines design, technology, performance, and comfort into a single, seamless experience. For anyone considering a vehicle that offers more than just basic transportation, this is a compelling option. It delivers on every level, from aesthetics to functionality, from comfort to capability. It is a complete package designed to impress. As we come closer to the end, it becomes clear that the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Cruiser is not just competing with other vans. It is competing with an entirely different category of luxury experiences. It stands in a class of its own. If you are someone who values innovation, comfort, and presence, this vehicle is worth your attention. It offers a glimpse into a world where travel is no longer a routine task but an enjoyable experience that you look forward to every time. This is what makes it truly special. It transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, the simple into the luxurious, and the expected into something unforgettable. Thank you for staying with Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious vehicles of 2026, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more incredible automotive content. Because here, every vehicle tells a story, and every story is worth experiencing.